It's anticipated that the Apple iPhone 15 series will come with bigger batteries and a new USB-C port, which might result in quicker charging and longer battery life for the iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Pro. The adoption of new battery technology, which will increase the battery capacity of iPhone 15 models, will be one of the main changes in the iPhone 15 series. The iPhone 15 series will reportedly include CIDR's improved stacked batter manufacture technology, which is comparable to that used in electric cars. This will aid in improving battery life. According to reports, the battery increase for the iPhone 15-based model will be the largest, at 18%. It will now have a capacity of 3,877 mAh. The iPhone 15 Plus battery capacity increased by 14% to 4,912 mAh, while the iPhone 15 Pro's battery capacity increased by 14% to 3,650 mAh. The iPhone 15 Pro Max's battery capacity increased by 12%, and it currently has a capacity of 4,852 mAh. We may anticipate at least the corresponding gain in the battery life of the devices if the story about the battery size increase comes true. The advantages from just increasing battery capacity would likely be supplemented by an improved Apple A17 chipset and a newer generation of OLED displays. It is certain that we will see a thicker device, which in my view might make the device a bit heavier due to stack-up battery tech. While this is a significant increase in battery life, we also need to take into account the size and weight of the device. Serious experts now believe that all phones in Apple's 2023 range will come with a new USB-C port with power delivery capabilities in place of the deteriorating Lightning port. This will be the second significant improvement. With the advent of the USB-C port on the iPhone 15 series, Apple will have all the infrastructure for faster charging in place, allowing it to officially increase the 20-watt charging speed of the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max to the higher 27-watt or 29-watt charging peak. Additionally, this new USB-C will increase the data transfer speed up to 40 GB per second, which I think is a big upgrade as it takes ages to transfer files using Lightning port or via AirDrop. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.